Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the projection of solid when the axis of the solid is inclined to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. And in this condition, one more type is there. Element of the solid will be in the vertical plane. So here I have taken an example of square pyramid. Square pyramid of base side is 40 mm, axis side is given 60, has a corner of its base in the vertical plane. So when this statement given, the corner of its base in the vertical plane given means we need to assume that the pyramid or the object is situated on the vertical plane, or we can say the axis of the pyramid is perpendicular to the vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. Okay, this is the first condition. And second is given the slant edge contained by that corner is inclined to 45 degree to vertical plane. So one of the slant edge of the pyramid is inclined 45 degree to vertical plane. Now inclined 45 degree to vertical plane means that will be visible from the top view. Okay, and draw its projection when the plane containing the slant edge and the axis is inclined 45 degree to horizontal plane. This is the next condition again. When the axis is inclined 45 degree to horizontal means that will be visible from the front view. So here three types are there, like this kind of problem need to be solved by three stages actually. So first stage, what we need to assume? First stage we need to assume that the square pyramid is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. So this is our vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane. First condition, we need to assume that there is a square pyramid is there which is perpendicular to the vertical plane. If the square pyramid is perpendicular to vertical plane, we can see the true shape of the object from the front view. Okay, so this is our front view and we can see the square from the front view, and the top view will be a triangle, so that will be visible from the top view. This is the first stage. So this part, that means this is the stage 1. Okay, so stage 1, and this will be our stage 2, and this is our stage 3. So this kind of problem need to be solved by three different stages: first stage, second stage, third stage. First stage, what I told, the axis need to be perpendicular to vertical plane. That is the assumption, first assumption. Once we complete front view and top view completed, then second stage is what? Now the corner is inclined 45 degree to vertical plane. One of the slant edge, this is the triangle slant edge, this is one slant edge and this is one slant edge. Any one of the slant edge is inclined 45 degree to the vertical plane. That means this vertical plane. So that will be visible from the top side. So first we need to do first, second, and this is third. The same thing need to be taken here and need to make an angle of 45 degree. From here it should be taken fourth. And the last one given, the slant edge and the axis is inclined 45 degree SP. So this is the fifth stage, and last stage is this one. So let's start in the AutoCAD. So here I have opened the AutoCAD software already. So in this we need to go for the MB setup, that means for the creating the paper. No metric, scale factor 1 and paper width 420, and this is 297. Now let me select the line, and here I have taken the reference line, and here I need to draw the square. So I have selected the polygon and enter the number of sides is 4. Enter it and select the edge, and what is the side of the polygon? 40. So specify the one. Okay, so this is in this way we can select, and that need to be given, actually that need to be given, specify 40, and angle we can give somehow this side, or you can take it to top, so that will be given, let 45 degree angle. Yeah, by that we can create this square, and this one we can move it. Let me take a little bit down, I can keep it here. Okay, so this is the situation of the square will be there, and that will also visible that because it is a pyramid, so you can see this diagonals, the triangles will be visible in the diagonals, and so this is about the front view. Now we need to draw the top view here. So top view I can draw by projecting the line from this. So axis height is how much? 60 is given axis height. So let me take axis 60, join it, again we can join. Okay, so this is how I have completed the front view and top view of the object. So here it is not selected everything, so I need to select all, and here I can change the color of this, and I can increase the thickness of this object also. After changing the thickness also, it was not highlighted, so I'll go for the line width setting. I'll click on the display line width, OK it. Next I can go for the text, single line text, and let's check me what are the text need to be given. So we can start from A, B, C, D. Okay, here I can start the A, B, C, D point here, and this is our A dash, and here it is B dash, and this is our C dash, and this is our D dash point. Simultaneously this is our O dash point, and here it is A, and this is our B comma D, and this is our C, and this is top point O, and this is our reference line. We can give X and Y. Okay, now the next step is just we need to select all this, and I'll copy this one, I'll take it to the next stage here. Okay, and this edge need to be make an angle of 45 degree to this one. So I'll select this, I'll go for rotate, I'll select this base, and I'll make an angle of 45 degree. Okay, this is my 45 degree angle. Rotate, select the base point, and give an angle of 45 degree. Okay, so one of the base will be angle of 45 degrees here. So let me check it whether the angle 45 degree came or not. No, it is there, 70 degree here. Actually, before going to measure this, before going to do this, first need to measure what is the angle between this reference line and this slant edge. Correct, it is 115 is there. So here I require only 45 degree. So what I'll do here, I'll just reduce the angle from here, how much it is there. So let me select again, rotate it, and select the base point, and 115 minus 45 if I do, then it will be near about 70. So what I'll go for 70. Okay, now see, this slant edge makes an angle of 45 degree to this one. Okay, so from here what we'll do, I'll take this one little bit, I'll move this one a little bit near to the object, so it will be good for us. Okay, and now from here we need to project the line. Each line need to be projected here. So what I'll do, I'll just select this line, copy it, select the base point, and just copy and keep it here. Okay, similarly one more line, horizontal projector lines, and that need to drawn in this way. And similarly this line also I can copy it and select the base point, and I'll keep it here. Okay, and this one I can stretch up to, just select on this and stretch up to here. Okay, now extra lines what is there, we can trim it here with the help of trim command. Now we need here, it is the after inclination, edge in inclination, this is the top view. So what about the front view here? So front view, I'll select this, change the color and increase the thickness, select the line. Now see where the A point is there. This is the A point and A dash point here. So this is the A dash point. Start from here. A B point, B dash B point. Then similarly C dash C point, and this is D dash D point, A point, and again A dash A point. Now this is the top point, join it. Just to join all this corner to this one. Okay. Now what about this two inside line that will be not visible to from the front, because when it is in the back side it will be not visible. So these two we can give the dotted line. Okay. So what I'll do, this one I'll go for the line properties here and load this, and dash line I can select, or I can go for the dotted line also. Dotted line not, only dash line we need to select it. Okay, and one more, this also I can take it okay. Now select this line, go for this line, I can go for the dash line, okay. And this two line, no need to highlight it, we can just reduce the thickness, color can be changed, that can be given, okay. Now this also we can change the name. Actually this name need to be given like A1 dash B1 dash need to be given. Let first complete the diagram. So diagram is important, how to draw it. And one more is there here, and this is our C dash. Similarly here it is O dash is there, okay. Now next thing is this need to be copied again now here. That is first step was completed, second stage completed. Now third stage, copy it, okay, and okay, not like that. We'll do one thing, by command will go, select this, copy CO, enter. Now select the base point here. From base we need to rotate it, okay. Yeah, now here it is copied, done. Next question what given? Next given the slant edge, okay, draw its projection when the plane containing the slant edge and the axis is inclined 45 degree to HP. Now this is the axis is there, this axis need to be with an angle of 45 degree, okay. Now it is parallel to the line, now we need to make an angle of 45 degree, okay. So we need to rotate in that way. So what I'll do, this is, yeah, I'll just select this and I'll go for rotate and select the base and I'll go for 45, okay. Now this diagram little bit went higher, I'll take it by move command and just select any one base, we can drag it to down a little bit. Now if you want to check the axis whether it is 45 degree angle or not, let's select the axis one and the reference line, let's check it here. Yeah, it is 45 degree angle, yeah, we can say it, okay. Now we can extend this line up to the last. Now go for the, change this color of this, go for the by layer and thickness also change it default, or you can go for by layer, select the line. Now again we need to draw the, we need to project the line from the each point. Now same line what I'll do, I'll just copy it, enter, select the base point, I'll just keep it all these corner points, okay. Yeah, and similarly line command again, I'll just draw the horizontal projector lines. Similarly again what I'll do, copy, enter, select the base point from here, again from here, okay. Now the extra line what you can see here, what is visible here, what we'll do, we'll just trim it, okay. Now here it is not up to the mark here, I'll take it up to here, and this one what I'll do, I'll just extend up to here, again trim, okay. Now completed. The next part is here, everything we have joined. Now we need to join the top view after the axis inclination. Again what I'll do, I'll change the color of this because directly we'll go for the answer here. Now select the line. Now here A point is this one, so here the A point here, this is the A point, you can see this is the A point. Let's select this. Where the B point is here, and this is the B dash point and B point here, so I'll join this, okay. Similarly C, okay, C point I have not drawn the line, so one more line need to be drawn actually. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and otherwise CO, enter, and specify this point and need to be kept here, okay. And extra part we can trim it, yeah. Next again line we can start from here. What about the C point? C point here and joining here, so you can join here C. So A, B, C, D point where? This is the D dash point and this is a D point, so join it here and again we can join here, okay. Now completed. Now secondary we need to see the top point O point here. So this is the O point is there. Now join this O point. Okay. You can start C point to here, again from this point to the apex point. So this is the final answer. But here also again we cannot see few of the lines which is in the back side. So mostly this line will be not visible to us. So this will be our dotted line. Okay, and that one also you can give as a bilayer line also. And mostly remaining, I think this inside one line is there, that was not visible. So this line will be not visible, and this two. So the okay, so this two base, okay, this is inside is there, this one and this one, this two will be not visible. So this two will be dotted line, and this line will be, so this one and this line, these three will be not visible to the top side. So this three will be given dotted line. Okay, dash line, dotted line, you can give anything. So this is our final answer for this. Now the main important thing is, when here we need to identify from the question whether the axis is given or base is given inclination. Based on that, step by step we need to draw. Up to the previous problem we have solved, first we have taken the base inclination, or you can say the axis inclination, and finally we have taken the base inclination. So here also same thing we have taken, but the slant edge first given, and we have taken the slant edge in the third step. Then finally in the fifth step we have taken the axis inclination. That much difficulty will be not there, very simple. Only you need to carefully diagram need to be drawn, and it need to be understood how to draw it, and finally you can give the dimension of that axis and base of that object can be given here. Okay, and the naming also, text also again we need to give it. Again I'm telling you, first step we can give the A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and top view A, B, C, D. Similarly here it is in the second stage it need to be given A1 dash or B1 dash, C1 dash, that one we can give, or here you can give A1, B1, C1, D1, and finally the same A1, B1 you can continue for this also. There is no issue on that. So I hope you understood how to draw it, and if you are having any kind of doubt related to this problem, you can give a comment on the comment box. So thank you all.